Hi, I'm Caitlin Robert, environmental educator at the Vermont Institute of Natural Science. Up to 3/4 of the world's coffee farms are grown under direct sun. This means that farmers have to deforest a large part of the area to grow and plant a single crop. This destroys habitat for birds and other wildlife that need it for food and shelter. But coffee doesn't have to be grown in this way. Shade-grown coffee preserves habitat by planting this crop under a biodiverse forest canopy. This provides habitat that birds and migratory songbirds rely on when they overwinter in the south. Shade-grown coffee is delicious, economically beneficial to coffee farmers, and helps more than 42 species of North American migratory songbirds that overwinter in coffee farms, like orioles, thrushes, and warblers. If you drink coffee and you want to help birds, next time you're at the grocery store, look for shade-grown, bird-friendly coffee.